how to automatically select the right scene in Ableton Live Session View. Hi, I'm Toby from abletondrummer.com. I do mix for live devices, mainly for performance, but not only for performance, use cases here. And I have a device now, which is part of a pack, which lets you set up jumping automatically the selection of the scene selection in Ableton Live Session View here to a certain song. So it's quite easy. You just need a MIDI track and you drop the Max for Live device on this MIDI track. It will work in 10, 11 and 12, but you would need Max for Live. Max for Live is included in Ableton Live Suite or can be bought as an add-on towards Ableton Live Standard. Okay, so we have all those different scenes here: first song, second song, another song, encore and encore 2. And maybe you have sometimes some empty scenes in between and you not always want to set scenes up like always going to the next. Maybe follow actions is not exactly your thing. You can set this up here now and have this always being making sure your scene selection is going to the right song or part of a song automatically, and then you can just hit trigger selected scene via MIDI mapping, for example. So let me show you how you set this up. So we got this menu here, and currently this menu is empty because we need to refresh this menu here, and now it's reading all the different names from the different scenes. I wanted to say sessions, but it's always keep the wording right. Okay, so let's say in the first song, let's say we don't want to jump to second song, we want to jump to another song. Okay, so what we can do here is we select the clip slot of the first song, or where we want to create this clip. We select the song we want to jump to. So let's say another song, and now we hit create clip, and there we go. So now this naming here tells the device, look for a scene which has the exact same name, and you need to make sure that you stay with a naming convention here, otherwise you would need to refresh and create the clip new. And now if I play this session here, you can see the selection is jumping to another song. Scene number 1 obviously is still playing, so playing and selecting a scene are two different things, you know. So you can see scene 1 is still playing, but the selection jumped to another song. So if I hit this, you can see jump to another song. Cool. So if you have something in here now and you wanna, like, you finished your first song, it stopped, and now you can actually just hit play the current scene. If you don't know, you have the MIDI map menu here or the key map menu here, and if we open up the track view, you can see here you can have this always play and the selected scene. Always trigger the selected scene, which you can map up here. I map this up to my key tab number 1. Okay, let's change the view here a little again. Cool, so now let's say we have this another song we are playing, and let's set something up. Maybe let's go to second song. So I select second song, I select the clip slot where I want this clip to be created. I hit create clip. So now if I play this, you can see it's jumping as soon as the clip is playing. It's triggering go to second song, but only the selection, not the playing. So scene of another song here is still playing. Okay, so this way you can set up things quite easy and quick if you quickly want to move stuff, or if you just want to make sure the right song is being selected, you can set it up via this little helper device here. As I said, this is part of a pack of 2 more devices here, which are covering different use cases, and maybe it's a good way to customize your which scene is getting selected automatically and which scene should be triggered. All this functionality, you can set this up and customize this the way you need with those devices here. You can find out about the other devices if you follow the link in the video description. As I said, it's part of a pack, all those 3 devices. Just follow the link in the video description. Take care, bye bye.